Here at Saidys Flea Market, look at this. The winds are blowing very strong, horizontal rains. The parking lot is flooded, so that's probably going to really hurt. But yep, winds blowing in excess of 26 miles per hour. We just had a torrential downpour just a few minutes ago. Yep, the parking lot is a mud pit. Guys, we are reporting live here at the Saidys Flea Market. It's about 2:30 in the morning, and yep, trying to see. Their stuff looks okay. Ribbon blown around. That uh-oh. That's in tatters down there. You see that? That tent down there is torn. Tarps are blowing. Yep, some people are not going to be happy tomorrow. Or I should say today. Lots of mud. Tarps are torn. But yeah, I just got a notification on my phone. Flash flood possibility, tornado possibility, and of course a freeze warning, so that's not good.